Fonda hacks. Join me by clicking subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the bell icon and select all for notification. Let's rock and roll!
For this hack, in a bowl, I am adding sliced onions, chickpeas flour, corn flour, shredded mozzarella cheese, dried parsley, red pepper, and paprika. Paprika is less spicy. If you need more spice, you can add chili powder and salt as required. Sprinkle some water for making dough. Don't add the water too much because the consistency is very important for onion vada. I'm just call it as an onion vada because they didn't name this recipe. Dough is ready. Take a dough and make a small balls. Place a cheese cube inside the balls. This hack is exactly same as our onion vada or onion pakoda. Additionally, they have added some cheese in it. The cheese makes this recipe rich. And we are gonna deep fry it. Once the oil heat on, we can put the onion vada into the oil. Keep the flame sim because the outside will be cooked easily, but inside the vada has need some time to cook. Now the onion vada is ready. It's time for tasting. This is the first time I'm gonna taste cheese vada, so I'm so excited to taste. Wow, it makes me tempting to try it. The taste is good, so this hack is successful.
It's awesome!
For this hack, in a bowl, add diced onions, cooked rice, half a spoon of paprika, pinch of pepper powder, salt as required, a spoon of water, mix well together. I'm not sure about the taste. Let's try and explore it. I have already cut the onion and removed the center part of the onion. I'm gonna stuff the mixture into the onion. Drizzle some olive oil on it. Place shredded cheese over it. Bake it for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After baking, I sprinkled some oregano for garnishing. It looks perfect and awesome in shape, but not in taste. The onion is completely raw only. I don't know what's the use of 10 minutes of baking. Taste be like eating a raw onion with spicy rice. So this hack is busted.
This hack is not good.
For this hack, chop the onions into rings. Place the cheese in between the onion. I'm using mozzarella cheese because mozzarella is one of my favorite cheese. You can use any cheese. Cover the rings with plain flour, which is all-purpose flour. I'm adding pinch of salt in the flour. Let's do the coating slowly and carefully, or else the onions will be separated. Then cover it with beaten egg wash. And finally, breadcrumbs. See, onion ring is ready. While putting the rings into oil, have to be very careful because oil will be splash out because of the cheese. I experienced, guys, so you have to be very careful. Don't stand near to the cooktop. Once it getting golden brown color, we can transfer into a plate. Because onion won't take long time to cook, hardly it will take 2 to 3 minutes. It looks exactly like restaurant style onion cheese rings. It makes me tempting to taste it. The outside is so crispy, inside also cooked well and cheesy. This will be a great snack and this hack is 100% successful.
Awesome!
For this hack, heat the pan and place onion ring on the pan. Add 1 egg inside the ring. Cover the pan by lid. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes in medium flame. It cooked properly. I'm transferring into a serving plate. I'm adding little pepper and salt for taste. Taste is good. Making process also very simple. So this hack is successful.
Good treat for tummy! If you're watching till here, I hope you might have liked the video. So why don't you hit the like button to make the panda happy? And please subscribe to Panda Hacks if you're yet to be part of Panda Hacks family. Bye!